Revolutionary, patent-pending design, QuickFit and SimpleWire technologies offer groundbreaking home automation features. Unique advancements make the smart controls easier to install and more reliable than ever. QuickFit. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous Z-Wave models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal smart solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang configurations or any other application with limited space. SimpleWire. Auto-detecting line, load terminals support fast installation by identifying line and load wires and configuring the switch accordingly. Dual ground ports, which are offset to avoid switchbox mounting screws, support daisy chaining in multi-switch setups. Optional toggle guide light. The white, toggle-style switch illuminates to show switch location and status. A blue LED backlight provides a soft glow and can be reversed, turned off or always on based on your indicator preferences. Voice control. Enjoy the convenience of voice control with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa when connected through a compatible Z-Wave hub. Top reviews from the United States. Good switch. Works well. In my case, the switchbox was packed full of wires and wire nuts. Whoever installed the original smaller simple switch was not generous with space for a new thicker smart switch. Thus I had to offset the new switch, which required an additional trip to the hardware store for hard-to-find parts. Seems that plastic electrical parts are as short supply at this time. Nonetheless, I was able to find a suitable solution. Wiring hookup was easily managed and the switch is working well. Z-Wave almost hooked itself up, to my surprise, and I added these lights to the SmartThings hub. Alexa followed and all is well without any problems as yet. Lights go on, off at switch, voice command and through automations.